Positivity-Inducing Affirmations based on the law of assumption for rapid manifestation. Affirmations based on the law of assumption act like a turbocharger, allowing one to see their manifestations come to fruition more quickly as they adhere to the principles of the law as outlined by Neville Goddard. A person can bring into reality what they assume and believe to be true, according to the universal law of assumption, which indicates that this is possible. Your current mental state has the potential to become your actuality if you give it enough credence. Because of the bad energy that is all around us, many people have difficulty maintaining a clear and optimistic state of mind, which is necessary for adhering to the principles of the law but can be challenging at times. Affirmations under the law of assumptions. Through the use of the law of assumption and affirmations, one is able to bring more positivity into their lives, which, in turn, has a beneficial effect on the state of mind. A fertile and constructive mental environment is created by these affirmations, which allows for the manifestation of assumptions. 1. As I assume, so shall it be. 2. I deserve all the good things in life. 3. My desires are valid. 4. Everything is possible. 5. I control the trajectory of my life. 6. Surely, my desires are accomplished. 7. What I can feel is already mine. 8. Nothing can hold me back. 9. My reality is what my consciousness says. 10. My consciousness is the subject of my belief. 11. I believe my assumptions are true. 12. I have the power to assume the best. How many times should you say an affirmation before you believe it? At least twice a day, recite some affirmations based on the law of assumptions. Spending between 3 and 5 minutes every day reiterating your affirmations is a wonderful daily habit to get into. The best times to say your affirmations aloud are first thing in the morning when you get out of bed and right before you go to sleep at night. By approaching it in this manner, you will ensure that your subconscious is prepared for the day as well as for when you are sleeping. Should you do it out loud when you're affirming something? An emphatic yes is the answer to that. Verbalize the affirmations to yourself. It is important to articulate them aloud because, while belief is influenced by a number of the senses, hearing is an essential component of it. It is the objective of affirmations and a catalyst for manifestation. When you listen to yourself say out your affirmations, it inspires you to believe even more, which is what the affirmations are supposed to do. Writing down the affirmations can also be helpful because many individuals have the ability to recall things better when they write them down. Affirmations are a powerful tool that can help you transform your life. The goal is not to remember everything, rather, it is to repeat these affirmations about the positive rule of the assumption so often that they become a natural part of your vocabulary. Of course, you are not expected to remember everything. In conclusion, affirmations based on the law of assumption are beneficial to the process of manifestation. However, the most crucial aspect of affirmations is not the empty repetition of the words, but rather a firm faith in the power of the words to have a beneficial effect. When you use the concepts of the law of assumption in conjunction with these affirmations, you will begin to experience a manifestation of your desires.